My lash trays, I just came out to come and see them like this. Thanks with black. Good job. No, let me clear your nose first. Bro, I'm waking up. Sunday morning, and this is how I'm waking up on my messy bed. So I decided to take a look at my cabin crew manual the night before, so I slept off while reading my cabin crew manual. Let me even show you very well how messy my room looks right now. See, even if it is just my bed that is messy, that's okay. The entire room is just turned upside down. The entire room is just turned upside down. Sunday morning now, anyway. Church. Let's go prepare for church. Like these children are awake already. Guess it's not just my room that is messy. The entire house generally is messed up. Help her to wear the bag. Help her to wear the bag. You go follow the rabbit. Look at the mirror. What? What? She wants to come inside. She wants to come inside this time. You are removing this one into your own this thing. Himalaya, bye bye. Bye. Where is bye bye? Where is bye bye? Oh, bye-bye, baby. Mole ayo. You will not do bye-bye now. Good job. This one they've gone to school now. I need 5 or 30 minutes of chill. Just chill and just rest. Look into the sky, so I can properly plan my day before I get things in motion. Gym morning. This is a fitness morning. I'm headed to the gym now to go and do fitness, but then there's someone in my house that I can't leave. Ikoma came around to come and do some repairs in my kids' bathroom. So I'll just be here till he leaves, then I'll go to the gym. However, gym fit check. Yeah, this is my fit check for the gym. I'll make more videos at the gym, so let's worry, guys. Naomi, say hi.
Hi.
Are you Naomi? The person that's saying hi, is she Naomi? Eh?
Hi.
She wants to enter by force. With this your nose. No. Let me clear your nose first. Pretty golden skin, honey hairdresser now. That's with black. This ain't not going to be black like you.
You say you want to be black now.
Unless you say don't be black. I made hair. Naomi made my hair. Tinkle. Molly, are you? Molly, are you? Kilo one bed. This is very serious. All my lash trays, I just came out to come and see them like this. Wasted. All my workstation, everything scattered. Oh my god. Oh my god. See all these ones here. It's like, all these things, what am I even saying 50,000? Oh my god. I want to salvage all this one now. I don't even know how to salvage all this one. I don't even have tail anymore. I want to salvage all this one now. My head one blue. And the girl is sleeping, ba?